Today is Thursday, June 27th, 2019. It's 4:10 p.m. I'm calling Attorney Dan Garon's office.
Offices?
Hi, ma'am. I'm trying to reach Tracy.
I'm sorry, who are you trying to reach? Tracy, let me ask you calling, please. Just one moment. Hi, this is Tracy. How can I help
Tracy,
you?
this is. I called yesterday, and then you called me back, and I didn't get the message.
Okay.
I was calling. Dan Garon is representing me on a case, and I haven't gotten any paperwork from anybody, and I believe I'm supposed to be in court Tuesday, but I've got nothing.
Okay. I did mail something
You know what the problem is, and I told the court, and I also told Dan this. I'm disabled, and my community house is a quarter mile away, and I can't get to it. So the post office keeps returning all my mail.
Okay. I did get a return, but it is this Tuesday at 1:30.
Do you know where it is?
It is at the Romeo Court. It's on 33 Mile Road.
That's the same one that I was in before?
I don't know. The only have
Okay.
one.
Is there anything I need to do before that, or
No.
do I meet Dan ahead of time, or
Yes, he will meet you there at
1:30?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I had a question to ask him. When I was put in jail, and I had an incident where a guard beat me up, and that I was in a hospital ward where they had a camera, and I wanted to find out how I would be able to get the video of that incident.
Okay, I will leave him the message, and then I'll see if I can find out for you, and I can give you a call back. He's already gone for the day. Okay, and then tomorrow, I know they have, actually all of our lawyers will be out tomorrow. They're at an all-day conference. So if I don't get back to you, it will be Monday. If not, he can give you the answers on Tuesday when he sees you.
Okay, then. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Did you say you're going to email me something?
I did not, but would you like me to email you a copy of the court for Thursday?
If you wouldn't mind. I don't know if he wrote down my email address.
Let me see if I have. Let me find the file. Okay, here. I have at gmail.com. Okay.
Perfect. Thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
You have a good evening.
You too. Bye-bye.